guys, and welcome back to my channel. My apologies, we have some technical difficulties in uploading some of the videos from the editing app that I'm using and uploading it to YouTube. But for this video, this is to capturing some of my daughter and my nephew's college board this year, 2021. As well as the lip sync competition that was held at college, where my daughter Estelyn was hosting the program. Thank you all so much for checking out this video, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will greatly appreciate that. Hope you guys are all well, and hope you enjoy this video. Alofa te lea atu, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I love you all. God bless. And so far, so far.
There's your competition, folks.
Beautiful, excellent.
Hi, Alini.
Nice.
Go Basti and Lene.
Beautiful.
Okay, awesome. Let's welcome to the carpet Maddie, Lynx, and Violet.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mom. And may God bless you. Manuel was so far. Manuel was so far. Manuel was so far now. Manuel to amore.
First of all, thank God for His many blessings He placed upon my life. Thank Him for His protection and guidance upon me. Thank you all for making this day possible, and thank you to my parents for teaching me the right way to live and guiding me, and thank you all.